This is my grill. Let's go check it out. See, we got an internal temperature of 185 degrees. It's about 10 a.m. I threw a pork butt on at about 3 a.m. Weighed 9.5 pounds. Let's open her up and take a look at her. Oh, I'm using Perfect Mix wood pellets. Pretty awesome on pork and chicken. Got some good smoke coming out of her. Let's check it out. Yeah. See, that's the direct flame side. Here's the indirect flame side. No heat coming out from underneath that pork. Looks freaking good. Close that up. Walk around the side. Look at the digital meat thermometer. Turn her on. We got 146 degrees. It's not too hateful. So it's been on 7 hours. It's 146 degrees. Down here, a little grease trap. Take a look at her. Not too much, hasn't rendered too much. It's alright. I'm going to smoke it at this temperature here for at least another 3 hours. I like to get about 10 hours of real deep smoke. Yeah, all that smoke pillowing out right now. But yeah, I like to get 10 hours deep smoke. And then I'll go ahead and I'll raise this to about 285 degrees. And I'll cook it right to 210 degrees and I'll pull it off. And I'll foil her. And I'll throw her in a cooler for about an hour. Let it rest. But I don't know, I'll show you guys in 3 hours.